Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how I eat 20 servings of fruits and vegetables in a day. So remember how your parents always told you to eat your fruits and vegetables? Well, maybe they were right. So here I'm going to be showing you what I ate this day, and it turned out I got 20 servings of fruits and vegetables in a day. So not only did I do that in a day, but that's also with intermittent fasting, because I don't have my first meal until usually about 1 p.m. So I fast through the morning, I do a workout, and then I break my fast at 1 p.m. with my first meal. So yeah, in this video, I'm just going to show you what I ended up having. Very nutritious, delicious day. So at 1 p.m., I started with this longevity smoothie. Now this smoothie had about 1.5 cups of frozen pineapples. It had 2 sticks of celery and about 1/2 of a cucumber. It had a handful of kale, and it also had 2 cups of frozen mixed berries, and those were blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries, but you can really use any kind of berries. I like to use mixed berries in this thing. It also had several tablespoons of soaked chia seeds that I just soak in water, and it had 2 cups of coconut water. So this was my post-workout smoothie first meal of the day, and I feel absolutely amazing when I make smoothies like this. So go ahead and try this one out. If this is too big, because this makes a little over 1 liter, so if this is too much food or too big of a smoothie for you, if you're a smaller person, then you can just always cut this recipe in half and try doing 1/2 of one and see how that works first. Next up at 3 p.m., I had a bowl of mangoes. These were frozen, but I let them defrost, and they're nice and delicious when I do that. Then at 5 p.m., I had a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, bell pepper, and tomatoes. Then for dinner at 7 p.m., I started off with some pineapple. I get this Tropical Gold pineapple in a can. It's really good. And I had a bowl of vegetable soup, homemade. I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on Dave's seeded bread with some seasoned almonds. And then for dessert, I had some of these homemade cookies. They had oats, bananas, walnuts, and chocolate chips. So that was it, 20 plus servings of fruits and vegetables for the day in about a 6 to 7 hour eating window. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some delicious recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, subscribe for more, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, and I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.